Hello and welcome back. This is Coach Carol with more tips on how you can use AI to help write your book. Today is all about using a different kind of artificial intelligence, and I'm over here in my Canva account where I am designing some ebook covers. I use this tool all the time because it's so easy and so effective. So here on the right-hand side, you'll see an example of a previously created ebook cover. This is for a family history story that I'm writing. Today, I'm going to show you how to create one of these covers through using a Canva template for ebook covers. You will see on the left-hand side that I've chosen the category of fantasy, and it's brought up a number of templates for me from which I can choose. It also has subcategories of magical, castle, fairy tale, and so on. But as you can see, there are dozens and dozens of these to choose from. So I went through the process and chose a couple. Let's just scroll down to where I'm up to. I looked at that one, thought, maybe that's not appropriate for the age group that I'm writing for. The story, of course, is called Echoes in Time. That one had appeal and it might be useful. Then I went a bit further and I was thinking about my 10-year-olds, what would appeal to them? I'm not sure if there will be a castle involved in the story, so I wasn't sure that that was going to be an appropriate book cover template. The Magic Kingdom really appealed. I like the scene in that and the way the words are formed in the clouds, or the title, I should say. But here's the one that I settled on. And I have simply added my own titles into the template that was provided for me. Echoes of Time, and that's my writing name for fiction books. And this really appealed to me. So there's a different kind of castle, and it really has an eerie kind of feel about it. And it seemed to suit the subtitle of my book that ChatGPT suggested for me, which is called The Boy, the Secret, and the Dartmouth Paradox. So that is my chosen book title cover. So now what to do with that? So how do I get it? In Canva, you use the share function, go down to download, choose the image as a JPEG. And because I've got several here, I have to choose the right page. So I'll just choose page 11. Click done and then download it. And then it is stored in whatever folder you want it to be stored into. Now I've already done this, so I'll just cancel out of that. The next step, of course, is to use your book cover to illustrate what you're writing. So what I have done with my book cover is I've added it to my Dabble Writer. And I'll just go back to the home page so you can see where it is currently sitting. It's still, there we go. I had been working in another of my books here. But what I do now in Dabble Writer is I add the image that I've created in Canva as the cover for the book. And you'll see it when we go to the top here. I scroll all the way up, get a really close-up view of the cover itself. Of course, I might change that later. However, that's one really useful way for you to get some sort of visual image happening in your mind as you are beginning to create the story. And in my case, I'm simply using it inside my favorite writing tool, which is Dabble Writer. And if you've been watching some of the other videos in this series in using ChatGPT to help you write your stories, you'll know about the way I'm starting this story with the chapter called The Cryptic Birthday Gift. And ChatGPT has helped me structure what the outline of chapter 1 is to be. And in this, it's describing what we will see. And here is the beginning of the chapter itself. So coming back to Canva, once you've created your family history ebook cover or your mystery book cover, you'll have them forever inside your Canva account. And so when you come back in and you go to your home base in Canva, they will show here as recent designs. So you can always go back to your set of ebook designs, as you can see here. They're just flicking through all of them. And you'll be able to create more or edit the ones you've got. Have some fun with the AI and the templates inside Canva for your mystery ebook.